So for some reason, we did get snow instead of some rain. I know it's supposed to warm up in 2 days, but until then, it looks like we have some cold weather. So I'm going to brush this off and take some more off. I may have to revise my plan and just not remove as much and maybe use some temporary aluminum to cover it up until spring. We'll have to see. We'll see what Friday brings. If I can get if Friday looks really good and I can do a lot, it'd be great. But until then, I'm going to take a little bit more off and got a little bit of time, and then we'll figure out how we're going to put in some temporary aluminum, probably for the winter. I need to move the lift back too. I need to come back another 4 feet. So I'm going to have to remove some of that stone or move it aside. And then that'll just get me a lot closer to the building. Okay, a little snow to deal with.